Hello, everyone. My name is Rebecca Burt, and I live in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. I've lived in Alberta my whole life, and this summer I went on a road trip across Canada all the way to Prince Edward Island, which was a great experience. Got to see the whole country, but realized that I'm a prairie girl at heart. I love the open skies that we have here. Um, I have three children. Their ages 15, 12, and 9, and I love reading out loud to them. So this is a great course for that. I'm excited to learn about new books that I can read to them and to read all of the required books to them. So that'll be fun. I have been a ferocious reader since I had to learn how to read when my sister quit wanting to read Archie comics out loud to me when I was young. I decided I needed to learn to read myself so I could read them. Thankfully, my taste in literature has gotten better since the Archie comic days. It was really hard trying to pick 10 favorite children's books, and as I was listening to a few other introductions, I started remembering a whole bunch of more books that I love. But here's the list that I came up with, and a lot of the picture books, I think I really enjoy them because of the art in them. I really enjoy the art. My first memory of taking books out of the library was when I was in kindergarten, going to the school library, and I found the Babar books by Jean de Brunhoff, and I loved those books. I would take all of them out that I could find and read them over and over again. I haven't read them in a long time, so as I was thinking about this, I was like, oh, I need to go find some and read them again. Another favorite book is The Seven Silly Eaters by Marla Frazee. I think it's a great book. It's funny how each of her 7 children have a different food that they like, and how in the end they find something that they can all enjoy together. And just the craziness of the mom trying to make sure that she gives her children the food that they will eat. Another favorite book I had as a child was Bread and Jam for Francis, and by Russell Hoban, and the other Francis books I enjoyed as well, but I really loved Bread and Jam for Francis. As an adult, I read Oh, the Places You'll Go by Dr. Seuss, and I just really love that book. I mean, I love Dr. Seuss, but that particular one just, I don't know, it gives you hope of all the things that you can accomplish in life, I think. Another one I found when my children were quite young was the Bear books by Karma Wilson, specifically Bear Wants More. And I don't know, I love the pictures in it, and I love the stories. They're fun. Another series that I found very recently for young children is An Elephant and Piggy books by Mo Willems, and I just love them. They're very simple. There's not a lot of words in them, but they just bring me joy when I read them. The antics of Piggy, and my favorite one of them is Watch Me Throw a Ball, and I just think it's so fun how the elephant takes throwing a ball so seriously, but the pig just has so much fun with it, and teaches the elephant that you can just have fun. You don't have to take everything so seriously. I love the Narnia series by C.S. Lewis. I think those were probably the first novels that I read. I remember my father reading them to us as young kids, and I read them soon after. They're great. I also really enjoyed reading the Bobbsey Twin series and the Happy Hollister series. They're mystery type books, the children discovering mysteries. I got into those a lot more than I ever did the Nancy Drew or Hardy Boys series. I never really liked those ones. The other favorite novels were the Emily trilogy by Ellen Montgomery. She's the one that wrote the Anne of Green Gables series, which is a lot more popular, and I loved those ones too, but I really, really love the Emily of New Moon trilogy by her. And there's so many more. And as I was thinking about all of the other stories that I like, I realized a lot of them are fairy tales and nursery rhyme based. And so, you know, something that I really enjoy is reading nursery rhymes. I would spend hours as a child just going through nursery rhyme books. And so, any nursery rhyme book would be on my top 10 list. I'm excited for this course. I'm excited to get to know you all a lot better, and I hope we all have a lot of fun in this course. And I will talk to you later. Bye.